Hello girls, Miss Maho here. This is a little tutorial on how to use Typing Club. The first thing is that you're going to open your browser. It can be Google Chrome, Safari, Edge, and you're going to type the address, or you can access to the address from Classroom. Once you open Typing Club, you're going to click on the top right corner where it says Login. You're going to get this page and you're going to click Login with Google. There, you're going to type your email information, the information of your school's account. So make sure it ends with @colegiosj.edu.gt. After that, you're going to click on Type in Django. You're going to click on number 1 and you're going to watch the video to get started with the lesson. You work through the whole lesson until you get your final score. This final score is the one that you're going to screenshot and upload to Classroom. I hope this little tutorial helped you, and remember, if you have any question, you can ask through Classroom or you can send me an email. See you in class. Goodbye.